Trust law and fiduciary responsibility. What if the government isn't the owner of your rights, but you're an unauthorized trustee? In this episode, we explore the hidden world of trust law and how fiduciary roles decide everything. In the world of equity and commerce, trust law governs nearly everything, but few understand how it works. In this episode, we explore trust law and fiduciary responsibility, revealing how public agencies often act as unauthorized trustees over your property, rights, and identity. Understanding the roles of grantor, trustee, and beneficiary allows you to reclaim control and restructure your relationship with the state. This is the foundation of private remedy, where law meets contract and true ownership is re-established. It's not just paperwork, it's jurisdictional power. In the private, knowledge of trust law is critical. The creator of a trust may appoint trustees, beneficiaries, and dictate the rules. Public agencies often act as trustees over the property and rights of the people. When you know the rules of the trust, you can stop being the pawn and become the grantor. Next, we cover subrogation, how to step into the shoes of the creditor and enforce the system's own instruments.